Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT. If you're just a beginner, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and you just type in your browser chats.openai.com. Now, if you have not registered with ChatGPT, it will bring you to a registration page and it only takes very few minutes to just do that. But if you're registered with ChatGPT, you're just going to appear in this place. Now, in ChatGPT, you can ask it anything in this life and it will tell you and it will give you a detailed answer. You understand? So, let us do one little practical. One practical we can use today is to ask ChatGPT, kindly list, or you can just ask it, I intend to become a an AI expert to position for this new economy, especially as a Nigerian. How can I navigate? How can I navigate and get my aspired and attain my aspired goal and attain my aspired goal? Then this is just what you tell it and you just see what it gives you. And it's going to give you a detailed answer on what you need to do. You understand? So you can see it gives anything, it teaches you anything in this life. As long as that thing has an already existing information, it will give you the answer. So you can see what it's telling you. Number one, and it's detailed. It can give you a detailed work. Number one, build a solid foundation, learn the basics, study mathematics, focus on linear, blah blah blah, explore concepts, gain practical experience. You can now ask it, what are the modern AI? What are the modern AI tools I can explore in today's world if I want to become an AI expert? Now I'm just using an abstract stuff. But you can always ask it predefined questions, like, you understand. So these are just what it's trying to tell you. So after this, you can also ask it something like, what is copywriting? What is copywriting, and the types you get. So this is just one part of AI. Now it's giving you different types of copywriting types, purpose. Number one, copywriting is the science of writing text for the purpose of blah blah blah. You can see. So um types of copywriting: direct response, purpose to elicit an immediate, CEO, to create content and optimize the ending, to inform, you can content copywriting. There's also brand, to create a strong brand identity and communicate. Technical copywriting, to communicate complex information in clear. Advertising, to create compelling advertising. So B2B copywriting, to persuade businesses rather than individuals. You can just give you everything. You can now tell, I want to focus on sales copywriting. What should I know? What should I know? You understand? It will give you everything you want. Now, focusing on sales involves the act of persuasion. But number one, understand your audience, create a buyer persona, craft compelling headlines. Focus on benefit over features, use persuasive technique, incorporate testimonials, case study, reviews, scarcity, urgency, call to action, apply the AIDA model, write clearly and concisely, be direct. This is just it. So I hope you guys understand right now. This is ChatGPT is a NLP programming language, NLP AI tool. So NLP means natural program natural programming language. You understand? So ChatGPT, the meaning of ChatGPT is chats. Let's even text. What is the meaning? What's the meaning of chats GPT and NPL? So you can just, so the meaning of ChatGPT is generative pre-trained transformer. You understand? So GPT is an artificial intelligence model. NPL means it's a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on interaction between. Now ChatGPT is an NPL too. You understand? So you already know that what the meaning of GPT is: generative pre-trained transformer. So all those information is not needed. All you need to do is to use it to create a lot of things. With that being said, I hope you got value from this video.